Morning students. Today we will start with the direct proportion. Direct proportion is when one thing is increasing, other thing is also increasing. Like, or the ratio between two quantities are same. x1 and y1 is equal to x2 by y2 is equal to x3 by y3 is equal to k. K is any constant, meaning by the ratio is same. If it is 1 by 2, 3 by 6, 4 by 8, 5 by 10, that is 1 by 2, that means it is in direct proportion. Like, if the price of one commodity is increasing, then the cost is also increasing. If the price is decreasing, then the cost is also decreasing. Like pen and cost. If we buy 5 pen, the cost is 20. If we buy 10 pen, the cost is 40. So pens are increasing, the cost is also increasing. That is called more pens, more cost. That is direct proportion. So we'll do few sums regarding that. The first example in this is, we have to check whether x and y (3 and 6, 5 and 10, 7 and 14, 9 and 18, 12 and 24 and 15 and 30, they are in direct proportion or not. X by y we will find 3 by 6, 5 by 10, 7 by 14, 9 by 18, 12 by 24 and 15 by 30. So all are 1 by 2, therefore it is in direct proportion. Example 2. Example 2 is x and y is again given, that is 336, this is a 60, this is b 96, this is 10 and c. The question is, if they are in direct proportion, find value of A, B and C. They are in direct proportion. That means 3 by 36 will be equal to A by 60. 3 by 36 is equal to A by 60, or cross multiplication, 36A is equal to 3 into 60. A is equal to 3 into 60 by 36. This is 12 and this is 5. So value of A is equal to 5. So now A is 5. 5 by 60 is equal to B by 90. B will be 90 into 5 by 60. 96. This is 12 and this is 8. So B is equal to 8. Third is B. 8 by 96 is equal to 10 by C. So C is equal to 96 into 10 by 8. This is 12. C is equal to 120. So this is A, B So now we get a direct sum also in this. Example number 3 is a car covers 432 kilometer in 36 liters of petrol. How much distance it will cover in 25 liters of petrol? So less petrol, less distance. It is direct variation. So direct variation is x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y. So we'll draw the table. X and y. X1 432, y1 36, this is 25, this is x. So 432 by 36 is equal to x by 25. X is equal to 432 into 25 upon 36. We'll cancel it. So it will be 218, 216, 29, 108 and 12. It is 300. Example 4. Example 4 is 50 meters of clothes. Example 12 is 50 meters. It's 50 meter. This is meter. This is cost. 50 meter of cost is 3725. What will be the cost? How much meter he will purchase with 1788? That means less cost, less cloth. Right? So that is also direct. Direct is x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. 50 by 3725 is equal to x by 1788. So x is equal to 50 into 1788 upon 3725. So x is equal to 24. 24 meter clothes he will buy with this. Example 5. If the weight of 9 sheet of thickness is 30 gram, weight and number of sheets. Number of sheets is 9. Weight is 30 grams. How many sheets are required in 1 and 1.5 kg? 1 to 5 grams. And how many sheets are required? Weight. More weight, more sheets. That is direct variation. So x1 by x2 is equal to y1 by x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. x1 y1 x2 30 by 9 is equal to 1250 into x is equal to 1250 into 9 by 30. This is cancelled, this is cancelled. 375 sheets will be there, So this is all for today. Thank you.